Howdy everybody, welcome back to Outnumber Barbecue. Today we're diving into a traditional southern dish known as Hoppin' John. This hearty and savory rice and black-eyed peas dish is traditionally enjoyed on New Year's Day for good luck and prosperity. We'll explore its history, ingredients, and the simple steps to make it at home. Let me show you how. We'll start with adding 6 slices of chopped bacon to this Dutch oven. While that gets going, let's go ahead and cut up our vegetables. 1 chopped green pepper. The history of Hoppin' John is rooted in African American and West African culinary traditions. Rice and peas became staples in Southern cuisine, originating in the low country of South Carolina with the first recipe written for Hoppin' John appearing in the Carolina Housewife in 1847. Over time, Hoppin' John emerged as a symbol of prosperity, with the black-eyed peas representing coins and the dish promising good luck and wealth for the coming year. Now that the bacon is getting crispy, we'll go ahead and add our vegetables. Here's that 1 chopped green bell pepper, 1 yellow onion, about 4 stalks celery, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon fresh thyme, and 2 teaspoons of your favorite barbecue rub. I'm using Meat Church Blanco. Give it a stir and cook until the vegetables are soft, 7 or 8 minutes. The vegetables are softened, so let's go ahead and add the black-eyed peas. I'm using 4 cups of fresh black-eyed peas. You can use fresh, frozen. If you're using dry, just soak them overnight. Next, we'll add 8 cups low-sodium chicken broth. Now just bring this up to a simmer and let it cook about 30 to 40 minutes until the black-eyed peas are soft. These look perfect. Now we'll go ahead and drain the liquid. Next, we'll drain the peas mixture, but we'll go ahead and keep the broth. We'll use that to make the rice. Add about a half cup of that mixture back into the peas just to keep them moist. For a little extra flavor, we'll go ahead and toast this rice. We'll start with 2 tablespoons butter, get that melted, and then we'll add 1.5 cups long grain rice. Stir that around in the butter 3 or 4 minutes till it gets nice and toasted brown. Once the rice is toasted, we'll add 3 cups of that reserved cooking broth and bring it to a boil. Add a pinch of salt, stir, cover, turn the heat down to low and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the super flavorful rice is done. We'll go ahead and add it to the peas. Add the rice back to the peas and give it a mix. And there's our finished Hoppin' John. Let's give it a taste. Let's give our finished Hoppin' John a taste. I feel luckier already. If you're not already a fan of black-eyed peas, give this recipe a try. Delicious rice, bacon, vegetables. What's not to love? Well, once again, thanks for watching. Hit that like button down below if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a happy new year with lots of luck and prosperity to come.